We'll guide you through how to use WeTransfer to send files. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. WeTransfer is a great way of transferring files to someone else or another computer. So to go and get started, go and open up a web browser and come to a search engine. And what you want to do is go and type in WeTransfer like so, and you can come to the official site, WeTransfer.com. Now, what you need to do is make sure you accept this here. I've gone and read it through already, so I'll press accept all. Now, come over to the left. You want to go to the top left and tap on add files, and you can choose the file you want to go and send and transfer, select it and press open. You've got a 2 GB limit and you can add more as well. Now, you can type in who you want to email it to, or you can go and get a link. In my case, I want to get a link, and you also need to add in your email as well. Choose the title and add a message if you wish. And if we press the 3 dots to the left of transfer, you can go and select create link. You've got some features here which you do need to upgrade to use, and you can also choose when it will expire as well. Then when you're ready, you can click on get a link. You'll be sent a verification code. I've now entered it and it's going and uploading, and shortly we'll be given the link which we can then go and give other people to go and access the file. As you can see, there it is. I can then press copy link and I can go and give it to people. It's that simple.